Hi, I'm Mary Trujillo with the K Grant Group. I'd like to welcome you to my newest listing here in Peoria. This is a tri-level home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's got a great backyard, great for entertaining. Come take a tour. Thanks for taking a peek. Didn't I tell you that backyard was amazing? These hot summer days are going to be very bearable back there. If you'd like to come and see it in person, please feel free to give me a call. I look forward to seeing you soon.